Hello everyone, it is Devans again with the second puzzle of the day, and it is white to mate black in 2 moves. Make sure you subscribe as we dive into it. Okay, so before I let you guys try it out by yourselves, I want you guys to make sure to notice something. Black has no valid move. If it was black's turn to move, it would be a stalemate. So make sure as you try to solve it, you let black have a move, okay? Because as you see, the rook is covering this and the bishop is covering this, and there's no move that black can play. So make sure if you're trying to solve it, make sure you leave a space for black to move. So if you don't mind, pause the video and try to see if you can solve the 2 moves that white has to play to mate black. Come back when you found it. Good luck. Alright, did you find the 2 moves? Please let us know in the comment section what you found, and don't forget to like the video. Okay, let's try to solve it. So if you try to remember, we said you have to leave a move for black to play, because now, for example, if you played rook e7, that would be a stalemate. Okay, so you have to leave a place for white to play. So we have to find a move that lets white play. Okay, let's try to play g4. Does it lead us to a mate in 2? Now that leads black to only one move, and that is e8. Black e8. But then the problem is when you try to mate it at g8, black has an escape route of d7, so that doesn't lead us to a mate in 2. That's not going to work out for us. What about if we try to play d4? The idea is trying to mate from the 8th rank. Now black can actually black is left with one move, and that's e8, and then after e8 there's no mate in the next move, because if you try to check with the bishop, black can still go back to its original place. So that's also not going to work out for us. Okay, and any other move for bishop still doesn't lead us to a mate in 2, because now black is going to go here, and then when you try to check it, it can escape to h7. It has an escape route at h7. Okay, so what are we going to do? We have noticed that black has an escape route at h7. What about if we try to play our bishop at d3? After black plays its only move at g8, then we can actually try to check it, and that would be a mate, because now the thing is the bishop is already covering black's only escape square. So that's the solution for the puzzle. Make sure you subscribe. Until next video, have a good day.